Thina wa uici wa migunda ya muingi wanjiriirie riria bururi wonire wiyathi na ni muigua gutari thirikari iria yahota kuruta hamwe na mahira. Gicanja kia muthia ni kia witahiri wa mugunda wa kaunti ya Nairobi, miena ya Isili na Pumwani. Icunjĩ-inĩ ici cierĩ aria maikaraga kuo mahamurithirio ni andu mamerire mugunda ni wao, uguo mehere niguo migunda ino yakwo manyumba. Kumana na uhoro uyu, kamiti ya Senate ya thirikari cia matura ni ikoretwo igithuthuria ndeto ino, na kiuria kiria kamiti ino yuritie ruhonge rwa NMS ni uria andu mahamurithirio kuma mugunda-ini wa kaunti ya Nairobi, urugamiriri wa kaunti utari na umenyo.
The defunct city council is the ROT of the pieces of land we are talking about. I deal with lots of double allocations. Even today, you will find I'm dealing with a piece of land here. Somebody else comes with a letter of allotment on the same piece of land, and we are trying to solve those problems with the ministry.
CS wa migunda Farida Karonei ni atariirie ati mugunda wa Isili wakomborithirio mundu kiumbe ni kaunti mwaka wa 2019 no kuma hau gutimenyekaga uria mugunda wetahĩirwo.
On October 8, 2019, Chair, LR number 209-16780, which is originally 209-6712/2, was registered in favor of Hussein Adan Somo as a lessee of the Nairobi City County.
Athite na mbere na gutariria ati moritu maria ministry yake ikoretwo ikihitukira ni andu gukorwo na taito cia migunda ya muingi, uguo hagakorwo hari harito kumatunya migunda ino na mari na taito ciaheanirwo ni thirikari.
In the process of digitization, we have identified about 2,000 parcels in Nairobi, which was set aside as public utilities, and there's a team now keeping a record for each of those 2,000 parcels to see how it transpired. And there are many, Madam Mr. Chairperson, because in JKI there are people who have title deeds there on roundabouts, very crazy places.
Augete kihonia gia thina uyu wa uici wa migunda no heani wa taito na njira cia Google ni gutwara thuguri ya migunda mitambo-ini ya kiriu.
So by the end of June, Nairobi will be fully digital. Our intention is to cover the whole country by the end of 2024.
CS wa migunda na ruhonge rwa NMS moritie kamiti ino iri rathuthuria uici wa migunda ino imahe ihinda niguo mahote gwika uthuthuria wao na gutwara uthuthuria mukinyaniru mbere ya kamiti.
But now that I know the specific plot you are talking about, I asked the committee to give me time. I'll get the details, when the allocation was done, the letter of allotment, and I'll bring it to the committee.
Because the law is very stringent in terms of how you can cancel a title that has already been issued. So we have a plan to work with the ACC to bring back all these public lands that were set aside for public use. So what they are doing, I think, is the proper process. You work with the ACC, you take the person to court, as government you give evidence, and then the title is revoked under Section 80.
Kwa ihinda riri aria mahamurithirio maiyete mwihoko wao hari kamiti ino na honge cia uthuthuria niguo macoke kuria maikaraga na migunda ya muingi icokio. Kiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Mũriũki wa Mũcoki.